Hi everyone, Tom here at Strapworks.com. Today we'll be talking about light duty tactical belts. Okay, step one is going to be gathering your materials. Now our light duty tactical belts feature the amazing Cobra buckle. These things are unbelievably strong and tough. They're something you can be very proud to wear, and you know it's going to be a long-lasting belt. For our webbing, we're going to be using a 272/65 Mil-Spec Nylon. It's in an olive drab color, a very nice, distinctive-looking webbing, and fits well with the buckle. We're also adding hook and loop to this belt, and we'll go over to that aisle separately, but we'll meet you in fabrication. All right, guys, we're putting on the hook and loop now. You never want to sew all the way to the edge, because if the thread gets cut, your entire stitch is compromised. Want to make sure it's all centered. There you have it. There's the hook. When you're sewing on your loop, you do want to give it an 1.5 inches, maybe even a 2-inch gap from the hook. With the loop being so much longer, it's not a bad idea to run a couple of stitches down the middle to keep it in place. All right, now we're going to attach the last part of the strap, the last part of the belt to the buckle, and we're doing it with one of our automatic machines which has a rectangular box X. So we'll drop the clamp and we're ready to go. Nice neat stitch, and now we're ready to put this belt on. Here's what you have to do. You take your belt off that part of the buckle, and then you run it through your belt loops. Okay, so once you have it through your last loop, go up through your buckle and close it off, cinch the buckle, and now you can come back here, cinch that up as much as you need to be comfortable. Good to go. Okay guys, light duty tactical belt in 1 3/4 inch. We've got 7 colors. In our 1.5 inch, we've got a whole rainbow of colors, as you can see behind me. Virtually any military digital or standard military camo, you can have it. In our 1-inch buckles, which by the way don't include all the gyrations of getting it on and off, again, you have a rainbow of selections of colors. Do whatever you want, be creative. As always, thanks for watching, and thanks for being a customer of Strapworks.com.